Welcome to this guided meditation by Jayne at the Calm and Happy Gut. Today we will be using the power of your mind to help you release stress and invite calm into your mind and body. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes and allow your body to begin to relax. Know that this is your time, an opportunity to slow down and connect with yourself. When you're ready, take a comfortable, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. And then once again take another deep, easy breath in, feeling your lungs expanding, and then gently exhale, letting go of any tension on the out breath. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, I want you to let your imagination guide you to a place where you feel completely safe, calm, and at ease. This could be a real place you've been to before, or it could be somewhere entirely from your imagination. It might be a quiet beach with soft sand and gentle waves. It might be a peaceful forest with tall trees and a cool breeze. Or perhaps a cozy room with warm light and a comfortable chair. Whatever comes to your mind, allow yourself to become fully immersed in this space. As you settle into this safe space, allow yourself to gently focus on the details around you, noticing where your imagination has brought you to. First, focusing on the ground beneath you, whether it's the softness of sand, the coolness of grass, or a surface that has been gently warmed by the sun. Notice the way it supports you, how it allows you to sink into it a little more. Next, bring your attention to the sounds around you. Perhaps you can hear in your mind the gentle rustling of leaves as a breeze passes through. Or perhaps you can hear the rhythmic flow of water nearby. Or maybe it's the peaceful quiet that surrounds you. Let these sounds guide you deeper into relaxation, helping you feel more present in this moment. Now pay attention to the temperature of the air on your skin. Whether it's warm or cool, Notice how it feels against your body. Allow this sensation to connect you even more with this place of calm. As you breathe in, taking in the subtle scents around you, whether it's the fresh smell of nature, the hint of salt from the sea, or simply the clean, pure air. Allow these scents to bring you further into this peaceful space. Now look around and notice the colours that fill your surroundings. Perhaps the sky is a soothing shade of blue, the trees a deep green, or the light around you is soft and gentle. Let these colours enhance your sense of calm and safety, helping you to feel more at ease. And so with each inhale, imagine that you're breathing in the calm, steady energy of this space. Feel it filling your lungs, then spreading out throughout your body, from your chest out to your arms and legs, all the way to your fingertips and toes. Each breath in brings a sense of calm and relaxation. And then with each exhale, picture yourself releasing any stress or tension that you've been carrying. Imagine this stress and all of the uncomfortable feelings as a dark mist leaving your body with every breath out. And on each exhale, you can watch as that mist dissipates and fades away into the air, leaving you feeling lighter, more comfortable in your body, and a growing feeling of peace. And so continuing this process, breathing in calm and breathing out stress. Each breath allowing your body to become lighter, allowing a deeper sense of release to move all the way through you, allowing any remaining tension to simply melt away with each exhale, allowing yourself to let all of that go. And if any thoughts or worries arise, you can simply acknowledge them and then let them go as you exhale. Imagine them drifting away, leaving your mind clear and your body relaxed and unburdened. Stay with this sense of calm, fully connected to this place of peace. And as all of that continues to leave your body, begin to notice how much more spacious and open you feel inside. And as you notice that, you can start to fill this space with positive energy. This energy could be a warm golden light or a soft glowing colour that resonates with you. Feel this positive light energy filling every part of your body now, warming your heart, relaxing your mind, and bringing a deep sense of peace and calm. Allow this feeling to settle into your being, settling into your mind and body, settling into your muscles and cells. That feeling of calmness filling every part of you. Take a few more deep, slow breaths, enjoying this feeling of coming back to yourself, back to your natural state of being. Anchoring into this moment and this feeling of calm inside. And then when you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the sensation of your body against the surface you're resting on. Gently moving your fingers and toes now, feeling energy and movement returning to your body. Feeling that energy moving up through your arms and legs, up through your body, into your head, and slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Know that you can return to this safe space and use this guided visualization whenever you need a moment of relief. Thank you for joining me on this guided journey. You can listen ad-free and discover over 100 additional audio sessions to help calm your gut and anxiety on the Calm Gut app. Available on the App Store. Start your free 7-day trial by clicking the link below. And up next is a guided hypnosis journey to help you reset and activate your vagus nerve, allowing you to enhance your health, your digestion, and reduce inflammation in your body.